Want to know how to reset your forgotten password in Taskade? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. Now first up, open up your Taskade application and click on Login to Taskade. This will open up an external browser. Now here you can see there are various options where you can log in from. But we need to reset our forgotten password. So right on the password right here, you can see forward password option. Just simply click on it. Now simply type in your email address. Click on reset password and there will be a link that will be sent to your email address. Now just simply click on this link right here. Now enter your new password and confirm it. Click on reset password once you're done. And that's it. Your password has been easily reset. It's as simple as that. Now you can log in with your new reset password. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.